Bob, tell us about this car that you're selling today.
So this is a 1966 Mustang that I've had for about 10 or 12 years, and had the engine rebuilt and transmission rebuilt in 2014, and got my use out of it and had a lot of fun out of it, and just looking to pass it on to the next owner to have fun.
Great. So what do we have here? We have it's what, 66?
Yeah, 1966 289.
Right.
Automatic with styled steel wheels that I actually put on.
Nice.
Yeah, but just a coupe, kind of a basic Mustang that's just fun to drive.
So this car has, it's got power steering and power brakes.
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
nice.
Yes.
It's a nice addition to
yeah, absolutely.
to a 60s car. So you bought it from we were talking earlier.
I bought it from the original
owner. Wow.
Who kept it pretty much stored indoors.
Wow.
And in the same family for years. That's one of the reasons why I bought it.
Right.
And got a pretty good deal on it, and then was always planning to, put some extra work and time into it. And
right.
So that's what I did, and yeah.
So it appears to have a California history. So we see these are the original blue plates. I see.
Yeah, actually, I think one of them has the original frame of the dealership on it.
Oh, wow.
I think they bought it in Long Beach, California originally, so I wanted to keep that on there, and also the black license plate, just to keep everything original.
Right. So why are you selling it? What happened?
Like I said, I just bought a new car, and this car's been taking up the garage with a cover on it. And so I decided that with my new car, I'm going to put that in the garage, and had to have some place for this to go. And like I said, I've gotten more than my money's worth out of it, and complete joy. So
it's a great color. What do they call this color?
This is called a Tahoe turquoise.
Wow.
And this has been repainted, but it's pretty close, or very close to the original, from
really,
what I can tell.
Really quite nice.
Yeah.
So why did you decide to sell your car to a dealer as opposed to selling it privately?
Really, I just didn't want to go through the hassle of having people, meet people and have them drive, and the looky-loos, and also the paperwork. And so I looked up online and saw Dennis, and seemed to be a reasonable guy, and so called you, and came here today, and
great.
Treated me nice.
Well, I'm glad you found us. So you mentioned that you found us online. So you did a search on Google, obviously.
Yes.
And do you remember what it was that you typed in when you did the search?
I think I did classic cars to buy, or classic cars to sell. I forget exactly which one I put in. Right. But you were near the top. Right. And so I looked at other ones too, of course. But,
great.
Yeah. But,
so what made you choose Dennis Spice Cars?
I think I saw one of your videos, and it looked like, you didn't look like a guy that was going to mess with me and give me a fair deal. And, I could have been completely wrong, but I wasn't. So,
well, great. Thank you.
Yeah, so it worked out good.
Now you're going to be one of those videos.
Yes. God help me.
Bob, thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.